Your aggregate changes state. A task gets assigned, an order ships. But the fact that it happened usually evaporates. Whoever needs to react has to be wired in at the call site, and it's easy to forget one. Domain events make what happened a first-class thing. The aggregate records the fact, and the rest of the system reacts to it. When a task gets assigned, a lot is supposed to happen. Notify the assignee. Write an audit entry. Refresh the board. So the handler does all of it, inline, by hand. But now assigning a task and reacting to it are tangled together, and every other place that assigns a task has to remember this exact list. Forget one line, and the fact quietly goes unrecorded. So record it instead. A domain event is a fact, past tense, immutable, a record. Task assigned carries what happened, which task, who it went to, and when. That occurred at isn't optional. The IDomainEvent interface requires it. Then you raise it inside the aggregate, right where the state changes. DomainEvents.Add, one line. There's no handler list to remember, just the fact. Now anyone can react, independently. This handler implements the DomainEventHandler interface for task assigned and does one job, send the notification. Trellis dispatches these handlers after the transaction commits, so a handler only ever sees facts that actually stuck. The aggregate exposes what it raised through uncommitted events, and once they're dispatched, Trellis clears them. The code that assigned the task knows nothing about email. So a domain event makes 3 promises. 1. It's a fact, past tense, immutable, a record that implements IDomainEvent, carrying the moment it happened. 2. The aggregate raises it at the source, with DomainEvents.Add, not scattered across call sites. 3. Handlers react after the change commits, so reacting to what happened is completely decoupled from causing it. Your aggregate becomes the single, truthful record of what occurred. Domain events turn what happened into first-class facts your system can react to, for you, and for any AI extending the domain without rereading every call site. But those facts are internal. Next, when and how to publish them to other services, domain events versus integration events, and the contract boundary between them. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.